When the U.S. Supreme Court handed down the 1954 Brown decision mandating the desegregation of America's public schools, they ended the legal basis for segregation and set the South on fire. For Thurgood Marshall, Brown was the final leg in a heroic journey to end segregation. For 20 years, he traveled hundreds of thousands of miles through war and depression in the Jim Crow South, fighting case by case, setting precedent after precedent for one of the most important legal decisions in American history.
Salvation is going to come if we can just get Lawyer Marshall to come down here and argue with these Southern sheriffs and these Southern judges and these all-white juries, and if we can just get Thurgood Marshall.
You can't imagine the setting in these courtrooms. If it were a criminal case, you have shotgun-bearing sheriffs in the courthouse. You do have the threat that someone wants to kill one of the lawyers. So every time they approached the courtroom or made a legal argument, they were in danger. He was almost tangibly subject to death everywhere he went. I mean, everywhere he walked.
He puts his whole body and soul at risk over and over and over again. I think Thurgood was the bravest man I ever knew.
This was a man who created opportunity for so many people in this country and improved their lives. I would call him a hero. I would call him the greatest lawyer of the 20th century.